Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at the company called Unity Software. As the name suggests, it's a software company and it makes software in the gaming industry. It's also part of the ETF called Meta. So the metaverse is a hot topic these days, and it is kind of a player affiliated in that field as well. So quite an interesting stock to take a look at today. Before we proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. Okay, so let's move forward. So this stock went public last year in October. And what we have seen is the usual kind of pattern we see with IPOs. It goes up, then we see a big decline or retracement, and then the stock had a rally. Now, what is interesting about this is that actually, when we had a large decline after the high that was reached here, the stock rallied and it formed an ABCD pattern. So you can see that this move and this move, they are equal. And we were, and that came around $186. However, the stock went higher and it actually went a little above, but never really closed above the 1.272 expansion of this BC segment. Excuse me. So let's do a quick retracement just to see to what extent the stock had actually retraced. So you can see that it actually went below the 78.6% retracement. So it's very close to actually a double bottom 65 76, about within $10 range. What the stock has done recently with a pullback as of yesterday is quite interesting to watch. And another interesting aspect to take a look at is also that there is another ABCD pattern here. So we take this, I'm gonna draw it like this. So then we just clone it and we bring it here. Here we go. What we see is that we had another ABCD pattern coming at the exact same level, 185 to $186 per share level. So it was a combination of two nested ABCDs, which was telling us that okay, this is a kind of a price level to pay attention to. And the stock went a little above to this 1.272 expansion, and then it has retraced. So uh, what is interesting to see is where it has it retraced down to. So we just draw a normal fib here. We can see the 78.6% retracement level comes around 137, close to, we can say, about $138 per share. What the price did is price actually went below that level, and for two consecutive days has actually closed above this level. So that is interesting. It's actually constructive for the bullish side. We also see that the stock is trading above the 200-day moving average. So this black line is actually the 200-day simple moving average. So that is also a positive for the stock price. And let's take a look at what is the retracement from this level. And what we see is that the 61.8% retracement of this entire move comes at around 126 or $127 level. So 137, $127 is kind of the support zone. Let's also draw a fib retracement from here. And what we see is, okay, this is pretty interesting. From these levels, from here to here, so this low and then this low here, uh, this is 78.6% retracement and 61.8% retracement of this low. consecutively coming around here. So this makes it a very interesting level to watch. And also the interesting part is you see there is also a trend line which I have drawn here, joining these lows here, and the price seems to close above that. So we have a number of things coming together here. The stock is at a very interesting juncture, and there's a possibility that around here the price might consolidate a little bit more. However, what we are seeing is two bullish candle closes, so the price actually pulled back, then kind of rejected the lower price and closed higher. It formed a hammer kind of candle on the 13th of December. Actually, this morning on the 14th of December, the stock was actually gapping up. However, the overall market had a negative day, and that kind of had an impact on the stock. But the interesting part is when the overall market, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, they closed lower, this stock actually closed higher. So that is also a very interesting observation for the day. So this is the point. We are watching this level of $137 to $126 per share, where possibly if there is going to be we're going to wait for a little for a more constructive price action, and there is a possibility that this stock actually make a move higher from here. So we are watching this these support zone. So we'll just write support zone here, and there is a good chance that over the next few days. So tomorrow is a big day. It's a Fed day. And then during the rest of the week, there are other central banks coming out as well. But tomorrow is the big Fed day. It's possible that we could have some fantastic price action. But what will be important to see is how the price will close for the day, and then if we can get a very constructive close, then the chances are that perhaps there the stock might have put in a bottom, at least for now, and is ready to move. So that's what we are watching. Just to recap again, this level of $137 to $126 is the support zone. We have got 78.6% Fibonacci retracement coming off this level, 61.8% from this low here of 19 July, and then from the very bottom here, 11th of May, 61.8 comes from 126 and a half. So and then there is this trend line here. So this is what we are watching, and it'll be interesting to see how the price will close, particularly tomorrow, because that's the Fed day, and this stock might be ready to make a move. And there is also this little ABCD which also comes around here on the 142. So with so many things coming together, forming a confluence zone, we need to pay attention. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. If you like how we look at the stock, you like our analysis, then please do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit that bell icon button so that you're aware of when the next videos are posted. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, night, wherever you are. Good day and good trading.